mention what this video is about, we just want to let you guys know we have shirts.
Yes, we've been having shirts, guys.
Yes. So if you guys want it mailed to you, or if you guys want to meet us in person and we can give you guys the shirts, let us know. Message us on Instagram. Let us know, you guys.
Yes.
We can get them printed for you. Come on. Some nice shirts. But so today we're gonna do a reaction video.
So we're going to do a reaction video to Kids Daniel Empire Cough. The song is called Cough.
Yeah.
And it's Afrobeats music. So
Yes. So his name is Kiss Daniel, and I guess it's featuring Empire. I don't know. Or maybe they made the beat or whatever.
And also, this is for Black History Month too. So
Yes.
happy Black History Month.
Yes. Happy Black History Month. Okay, let's get into it. I was about to say, where's the word? It looks like it's Empire and Kiss Daniel. I'm confused. Don't they do this dancing on Instagram or something? Where they're on the escalator and be like,
Alright, we're doing.
yeah.
I don't really get this dance though. It's like they're like come from the air. But I don't really get why the video's called Cough.
I don't know. I still don't know what they're talking about.
That too.
Okay, you want to flex as well? Nice thing. I think it is two people because there's two guys in the video. So it might be two different guys. I see two different guys.
They're the same.
What kind of dancing is this?
They do twerking in their own style.
What are they talking about? I love Afrobeats and everything, but what are they talking about?
We need a translator. They just have a translator at the bottom. I just know Flex My Love, Carry His Love, and I don't know. I like the song though. And then they start, they
Why is he doing this?
they're twerking. What's this person here? Got a big body. I got a big body.
He's confused at what's going on. Bye. I'm serious.
Hey. Hey.
Okay. The song.
Hey.
Stop it. Okay, so it was alright. Like I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's talking about, and I don't know what he's talking about. And what's with the dancing? But yeah, I feel like I've heard the song before.
Yeah, on the internet.
Yeah, probably.
Some little girls dancing to this song.
And the dancing that they're doing, I've seen the dance before on Instagram, where they'll do the dance on the like escalator and stuff like that. But what is he talking about? I don't know. I'm not getting it.
Like I feel like I know it's a traditional language. Like it's traditional. That's how they speak. Like speak African.
But he's talking. I think he's talking English.
Yeah.
I think he's talking English. Maybe he's mixing it with English and the language that he speaks. But
yeah.
I don't.
But what I'm saying is that if you're gonna speak your language and we don't understand, I feel like it should have a translator at the bottom, just for us to know what we're saying. Because it's kind of weird speaking a language you don't know in a song and you don't know what they're saying. So.
But that's how it is in a lot of songs. We don't know what a lot of songs are saying, and we still hype up to the songs. And if we didn't, the song's gonna be popular. Like dancehall, a lot of dancehall, we don't know what the heck they're. Well, I know. Well, we understand dancehall, but there's other people out there that don't understand dancehall, but they still hype it up. And if you don't hype up dancehall, it wouldn't be as big as it is now. So it's like nobody got time for that. But yeah, so that was Kiss Daniel, Empire, Cough. We don't know which one's Kiss Daniel, which one's Empire. We only saw one person, one guy.
They look the same.
But I think it was only one. I'm confused. I saw two guys with a bunch of girls in a room. So I thought that one was Kiss Daniel and one was Empire. But then it seems like there's only one guy that's singing. So I'm confused. What's going on?
The same.
But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching our video. Make sure that you guys like this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe, and make sure that you guys comment in the comment section below. Let us know if you know the song. Let us know what they're talking about. And yeah, let us know what you think about this video. And this video. And yeah, follow us on Instagram.
Lewis Girls 18 and Lewis Girls 1.
Yeah.
Our fan page.
Yeah, exactly. But thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.